Hey guys, and this is more of a channel update than anything else, but I'm here to announce the release of a content management system called GreenFever. Now, GreenFever is a content management system similar to WordPress or other comparisons to that, and it's written in PHP, HTML, and uses MySQL databases to store its data. Now, it's pretty basic, but it's fully functional and has a nice user interface and design. And I'm going to release it free for download and hopefully update my progress throughout the development of the program as the versions move forward. So I'll just show you around GreenFever, the current version 1.0, and I will give you a link to a free download where you can use the software absolutely free. So we have our main page here, our main homepage, and we have the homepage content, and I've just added the browser compatibility here. It works in Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari, and also Opera. The back end, though, administration panel, is best viewed using Google Chrome or Safari. We did have some problems with Internet Explorer 9 when testing it, when using the admin panel. But the admin panel does work in IE 9, although the user interface may not be as richer experience in IE 9 compared with, say, Chrome or Safari. So we have the footer down the bottom here, copyright by Quick, powered by GreenFever, Quick being our dummy company name. If we go up here, we can click latest posts, and this will bring us to a page where there is the latest articles. And if we scroll down, okay, we have some dummy text and some test articles. If we click read more, then we can view the entire article. What's given here is a sample of around about 1,000 characters, so that the first 1,000 characters of the article are displayed here in a summary. If you want to read the full article, you click read more, and we have then the entire article, all 500 words of it. And that's in Latin, all that dummy text there. We then, if we go up to the top here, have a contact us page. At the moment, in version 1, there's no way to really add functionality to it. But in the next update, this will be a priority, whereby in the admin panel, you can select an email address where all the details here will be submitted to. So it's just, I guess, a contact form template. You can choose to add your own functionality to it, but that will be coming soon. Yeah, if you are waiting for that, probably in about a week or two. So now if we go to the administration panel, which is found in the admin directory of the software. Okay, so here's the administration login. So it's pretty simple. We have just the same sort of style menu at the top with the admin login highlighted, and we can go back to the home page where the text is. So the home page of the entire website. So then we log in here. Okay, and when you install GreenFever, it does come with its own installation script, but it's got some documentation as well explaining this in a PDF file. But basically run the installer similar to what you might do in WordPress, and whilst that installation process is happening, you define things like your administrator account, your database details, and all that sort of thing. So then we click login, and we come to the admin panel. It says welcome admin. This is the GreenFever CMS control panel where you can manage your site and its content through the easy-to-use user interface. I will probably change the message as it's a little bit generic, but Basically on the first page here we have just a list of users, a list of admins. We have delete user functionality, where you can delete a user based on the user ID. We have the footer of the software, so it just shows the current PHP version the server is using, the current MySQL version the server is using, the current GreenFever version, which is as you can see here, it's a little bit outdated. It says dev, which is short for developer, 0.10. Now, thing is, this is actually the latest version of the software. Just that hasn't been updated yet. And there's a check for updates feature, which is working. If you press check for updates, you're taken to a page where, as you can see here, no new updates, your version 1.0, latest version 1.0. Okay, and if there was an update to the software, that would be displayed here. It's called the update checker. Now, obviously, because this is the developer version, where it says your version here, 1.0, before it said it was 0.10. So yeah, but in the download, it will be all fixed. Then we can go to site settings. These are just the general site settings, and we can define where our logo is for the site. So on the home page, or the other content pages, we have the logo up the top. So we can, I guess, select our own logo to put in there. Now, this is a feature that I think should be in things like WordPress, but it isn't. So that's why I decided to add this as a pretty important feature, and it was one of the first things that was added, because in WordPress there's no easy way to change the logo unless you replace the logo file. But if you want to call your logo a unique name, for example, or a unique file type, and want to have your logo separate, then this is just a simple, easy to use tool in the administration panel that can change that for you. Then we have the Home Latest Posts plugin, enable latest posts on the home page. So what this does is, on the home page of your website, you can choose whether you want to have a static home page, so it's a home page that you can edit and customize, or if it's more of a blogging website, you can choose to have, you know, the 5 latest posts on the blog up on your home page. It's up to you. And then you can actually edit the footer information. Again, this isn't something found in some of the open source solutions that are popular. It can be a pain to edit the copyright information, and there can be issues such as licensing. In GreenFever, it's one of the first features we added again, so you can remove, you know, where it said quick before, you can replace that with your own company name. Okay, and that's, you know, 100% alright with us, the developers, and it's simple and easy to do. If we go to content, we can edit our articles, and then we can also log out. Okay, so once logging out, that takes us back to the administrator login, and if we go up to the home link in the menu here, okay, that takes us back to the home page. There's the logo I was talking about, which you can edit, the menu, and because the latest posts for the home page is disabled, we have our static home page, which you can edit in the content section of the admin panel, and then you have our footer here, where you can change your company name in the copyright section. So thank you all for watching. Again, the download link will be in the description. The software is 100% free to use, and if you have any questions, comments, or need help, simply comment to the video or send me a YouTube message. Also, if you enjoy the work that I do, please support us by rating the video or subscribing. Again, I hope you enjoyed it. The download link will be in the description. And if you have any feature ideas as well, I'm more than welcome to listen to the community. And if the community could, you know, send me their ideas in for possible features that they would use, I will be adding those ASAP. Thanks for watching.